Bonjour, welcome to our channel. This is the vlog about our trip to Paris, the city of love and of course vin and baguette. In January, in late afternoon, we started our road trip. And I was accompanied by the sweet nightingale singing, very enthusiastic. Or was it more or less a cat being strangled? I don't know. At least she was very happy.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Almost 500 kilometers later, we finally arrived in the city of love, Paris.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs.
We arrived very late and had a quick buffet dinner and checked into a hotel. And guys, one tip from me to you: make sure that you know where you want to go and book online because it saves money.
They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time. That's how you operate.
This sauce, yeah.
Okay.
You just told me the recipe.
Okay. Stay away from all the
It's
shit
just
because
milk.
it's
You have to be
temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation.
And the sauce was so nice that I even asked the cook for the recipe. Super nice with the fish. Look at it. The food was so nice that we ended up eating 5 dishes.
Those where we like.
Campanile is not the best hotel, but pretty okay for the price. And since all other hotels were fully booked, we didn't have a choice. This is our hotel room, pretty decent though.
Bathroom, very hot shower. You had a nice evening. We are good to go. Good to go, good to go.
At least we had a good night's sleep to be fresh for the next morning to continue our journey.
Why would they check?
We checked out and took some nice pictures before we went on the trip to the city center of Paris, where my sweetie had to do her basic Civic exam to get a permit. There was some really heavy traffic build-up on our way and I was scared that we're not going to make it, but luckily we made it on time.
In Paris, just like Guido.
When we arrived at the Dutch embassy in Paris, we handed in all the papers and my sweetie did the basic Civic exam. And luckily for us, she passed! After the Civic exam, we had a quick lunch and guys, guess what? Coke was more expensive than wine.
We did it! Done with my exams. Tour in Paris. It's been a beautiful day, quite a day. Finally made it against all odds. front of Paris. That's the sound. Oh my god. And that's their plate like yeah.
French number. White with black lap over.
Yeah. It's actually neat. I like it.
It looks better on the white car.
Yeah. It looks really nice. It looks like it looks
Stay tuned, guys, as we show you around this historical, beautiful city, Paris, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, guys. Also like and share videos, guys. Enjoy.
No, that's in Czechoslovakia. It's maybe even more beautiful than this.
It's like London.
Yeah, it's really amazing. All this stuff that you can. Were you in Paris before?
No.
Okay. I cannot imagine that you
And I will not remember.
You will not remember.
No, I was not.
That's totally impossible.
Yes. I was not in Paris. I was at the airport, not in Paris. You came to drop my name off.
Napoleon, from Napoleon. Remember, Napoleon Bonaparte, the guy that conquered Europe, whole of Europe.
That the cannon is It's like cities that has history, and you can still see
That's
the
why I
ancient
don't like
history.
Rotterdam. Rotterdam doesn't have anything.
And because it was bombed in 19.
So funny.
Like the cathedral.
From the Alexander. So this is the bridge Alexander the Great Bridge. That's why these things are off. It's all from Alexander the Great conqueror. That conquered like 1/3 of the world or something. I think there's a big market.
Construction. Or maybe that's what people are watching there.
No, that's the Seine.
That's what?
The Seine. The river
The
Seine.
river Seine. Okay. Is it different color or just the river? Because the way people are taking.
But there's a sort of a behind this is everything. It's all
See that here is more structured. They are not parking on the road. You understand?
the thing is,
This is where we come shopping.
I don't know this.
It's not meant for animals, it's meant for there's enough space. It actually looks like the palace, Buckingham. This right here looks like Buckingham.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do. Step on.
Well, finally guys, we got to the Eiffel Tower, but unfortunately we ran out of memory space. But of course I got the key holder as a souvenir, and it was time to leave. So sad we couldn't see the Disney World, but next time we'll sure be here to really tour the city. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Until we see next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
We're on our way.
We're on our way home. We live in Paris. Paris is a beautiful love city. Love city. Oh my god, it's been quite a day. It's been fun though and exciting.